Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hopes you all are fit and fine. In this video, I'm going to unbox my new soldering rework station, which is model number is SUGON 8610DX. So let's unbox it. So what we got inside the box, as you can see, we got 5 pieces nozzle, 1 2 3 4 5. One is ground wire, power cord, and this one metal chrome plated adjustable bracket handle stand. And we got this machine, the machine. So I connect this AC cord. I don't need to connect this earthen wire, ground wire. If you have any grounding problem, so you can connect this ground wire. So here you can see this is the power switch. So turn on this machine. It's a nice water lamp display. Okay, as you can see, these two buttons for control the settings temperature, and these two buttons for airflow, control the airflow. This option for actual temperature, and this option so you can save 4 different type of temperature profile with this 4 channel, this 4 button. I will show you. And this button for convert to Celsius to Fahrenheit. If you double click here, now it's a Celsius. Now it's Celsius. If you double click, it's convert to Fahrenheit. Double click again, so it's convert to Celsius again. Another work for this button, if you long press, so the beep sound is off, no beep sound. If you long press again, it's turn on. Now you can hear the beep sound. Okay, so now I will show you how to save your temperature and airflow for this channel. So at first I will choose the temperature is I need to set 450 and airflow I need 100. Then just long press any of button, so it's safe. So if I click the channel 1, as you can see, 450, 100. So you can set 4 different type of temperature and airflow, and the maximum temperature is 500 degrees Celsius. Maximum airflow is 120. So that's it. So now I will talk about this metal bracket. Let me show you. As you can see, this chrome plated. So the front and rear direction of the bracket can be adjusted 115 degree to meet the selection need to more working position. You can see. That's it. And another work is show you. So the air nozzle plug and puller can quickly replace the air nozzle. This is the puller, so you just put here and pull, that's it. And then again, it's very easy and fast, you can work. And this side for nozzle bracket, so you can put your all of nozzle in this bracket like this. See, and then if you need any of nozzle, you just press, it's done. So now if you want to change any nozzle, so you can change very easily, just like this. You just put here, slide right, then pull up, it's done. Now you can change another nozzle very easily. So now I will try to remove the IC in this machine. So I will select 350 degrees Celsius and airflow is 60, as you can see. So let's try to remove the IC from this model. So I put some flux on this IC and try to remove. So let's see how fast it can remove the IC from this motherboard. Okay, just to wait. It's melt already. Now you can see it's very fast. It's work very fast. So now I will replace and solder this IC again. Done. So this soldering rework station has automatic sleep mode function. So when I finish my work, then I just put this handle into this bracket and it will automatically go into sleep mode. As you can see, the temperature reduce here and the airflow going to high for cool down this element. As you can see, it's very fast, and this machine can recover the temperature. It's very fast. So guys, if you like this video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you want to buy this product from Amazon.com, so you can check out the link I give in my video description below. So thank you so much.